The Android smartphone has multiple wireless data communication options such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data networks. Our project aim is to build a system wherein communication could be established on the basis of ultrasonic frequency. Data maintenance and marketing is a vital issue usually faced by shopkeepers of small stores. Banners or posters and making alternation within them with changes in market scenarios is can be costly. Hence we put forth technology where such shopkeepers will able to post their communication using ultrasonic frequency can extend up to range of 100 meter. Shopkeepers of small store do not have enough resources to analyze the data of demand and supply of product. Ultrasonic transmission are unregulated and interference free to most electronic devices. Ultrasonic signal provide good privacy and increases network security of the environment. The device must have speakers with capacity of 19 to 23 kHz. Device must have microphone. The Android version of smartphone should be minimum Jelly Bean or advanced. Our ultrasonic modem can be implemented on any device that has a speaker for sending or microphone for receiving and support sample rate of 44.1 kHz. The basic principle starts with a sender and ends with the receiver of data. Any device that is sending data must have an encoder that can encode and secure the data that is being broadcast via device's speaker on ultrasonic frequency. The receives the data via microphone and decodes the data using the decoder installed on the device. Our ultrasonic software used for both transmitting and receiving text commands to provide flexible implementation. Our project concentrates and makes available as a Java library for Android which exports socket classes that can be used for both transmitting and receiving data and text commands. Malls or departmental store can use this technique to send out promotional information, preferential product information, and to improve user experience in general. It can be implemented using speakers at mall and data can be broadcasted at ultrasound frequency which are inaudible to human ear. in the place where there is no network, and trekkers in the very hilly and dense forest areas find difficult to communicate with each other over short distances. This type of application can find its use there. IoT devices can be easily paired and can seamlessly communicate and exchange data with each other using